What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to pair a phone to a 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee using Bluetooth. If you're using an iPhone, this will also allow you to enable Apple CarPlay. And I am going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone, although other phones would be similar. So the first thing I'm going to do is go into my phone settings, open the Bluetooth menu, and I'm just going to make sure that my Bluetooth is on. Now taking a look at our center screen, from the bottom menu, I'm going to click Phone. And then here it's going to prompt me, no phone connected. Do you want to pair a phone? Yes. Now I'm going to grab my phone, and under the available devices, it's going to pop up as Uconnect with a number behind it. Go ahead and click on that. Then you want to make sure that the PIN number on your phone matches the PIN number on your center screen, and ours does, so we'll click Yes on the center screen. And then we'll click Pair on the phone. And this is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. And then after it's initially connected, it will give you the option to use CarPlay. So I'll click Use CarPlay. And then on our center screen, we also need to confirm the CarPlay. So click OK. OK. And now we're connected. You can make calls, listen to music, whatever you need to do. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.